You worth more than gold, so hold your head up high. It's your time to shine. Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with a crochet braid video. Yay! It's been so long since I've said I'm back with a crochet braid video. I really miss my crochet braids. I hope you guys did too, because this is going to be my thing for the next few months. You know, I love a quick change. It only takes 2 to 4 hours depending on what you're doing and your braiding pattern and all of that good stuff. But this took me 2 hours. I did the invisible parting space, as you guys can see. And yeah, this is the Freetress. I'm doing all that talking and I didn't even tell y'all what hair it is. So this is the Freetress Braid Go-Go Curl 12 inch. As you guys can see that mine is not 12 inches. I cut it to shoulder length bob. This is a perfect style for spring and summer. This hair is so just light and fluffy and just everything right now. Only thing I just wish it would get a little bit bigger, because I've already been wearing it for a minute now. I've worked out in this hair quite a few times. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to get a little bit bigger. But for the most part, I love this hair.
You guys, I'm gonna wear it for a few more days, and then I'll come back with the individual review on this hair, like I always do. If you guys are interested in how I got this look, just keep on watching.
Okay guys, so I am finished. I did do the invisible parting space. If you are interested in a more detailed video on the invisible parting space, hopefully that footage is good. I will edit and upload, but for now, here it is. I don't like it, so I'm going to cut it. I don't have any hair scissors, so these will have to do. Okay. Now the invisible parting space really doesn't set until you wrap your hair, but I'm still going to cut it. And I'm going to start from this side. I just kind of want a few layers, cut off some of the length a little bit. hope you enjoyed the video. This is the look as you saw in the beginning. It's so light and airy and flowy. And even after I cut the video off, I did still end up trimming away or cutting some pieces just to frame my face a little bit better. But for the most part, I am absolutely loving this hair. Let me tell you. Like, why am I posing like y'all taking pictures or something? Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. If you are interested in a review on this hair, just be on the lookout for that. I also did a separate video of my invisible parting space. Hopefully the footage is good. If it is, I'm going to upload that for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.